Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I can details my videos, presentation, Google products, Google advertising, and search campaign. Google search campaign, very important part. Search campaign display, search campaign display ad campaign, and video campaign, apps ad campaign. The icon presentation, the very important the search campaign and Google products and advertising platform. Number one, Google Ad Manager. Number two, Google Ads. Number three, Google Ad Move. Number four, Google AdSense. Number five, Google Marketing and Platform. Number six, Google from Reality and YouTube. The seven Google products and advertising platform. Every know that for knowledge the Google products and advertising platform then can use and how to your website, how to earn money, your business build. First time the Google products and advertising platform must be needed. So friends, Google, number one, Google Ad Manager. Number two, Google Ads. Number three, Google Ad Move. Number four, Google AdSense. Number five, Google Marketing Platform. Number six, Google Reality. Number seven, YouTube. Discover the lasted data instant the information from Think with Google's. Consumer listing, overview, consumer journey, consumer trade. The marketing strategy, overview, IU, apps and mobile, data management, including search, YouTube, footers of marketing, overview, creativity, digital transformation, distry and introduction, management, and calculate, IDC and test. Tools, overview, find my audience, Google Trend, Google My Store, make finder. The total guidelines of Google products and Google platform, I am again repeat, very important part, a very important topics. The number one, Google Ad Manager. Number two, Google Ads. Number three, Google Ad Move. Number four, Google AdSense. Number five, Google Marketing Platform. Number six, Google Reel. Number seven, YouTube. Discover the lasted data in insight and inspiration of Think with Google. The consumer listing, overview, consumer journey, and consumer trade. The marketing strategy, overview, AI, apps and mobile, data and measurement, insight, search, YouTube, push and marketing, overview, creativity, digital transformation, discover and extend, management and calculate, piracy and test. Tools, overview, the find my audience, Google Trends, grow my store, make finders. My channels lot of videos Google campaign but I am again very important Google campaign, the search campaign, display campaign, shopping campaign, video campaign, apps campaign. I can the videos presentation, the search campaign. Your short video, short class, short lectures, short class and videos. Search campaign. The search campaign ad appear is a text ad in the result page of the keyword. For example, there are a search campaign ad in the keyword. This your laptop. This in this ad your probability most finally with them appears and search result page with the black ads and symbol next to this URL. As you can see, through text-based ad essence and only type from ad in the search network. You can also have your ads appears in Google Shopping trending ads. There's some details Google search campaign. So lot of details. Another person. The short, the Google Ads pay-per-click PPC advertising platform with advanced pay per click in important ads. Advertise on Google. Google is the most used search engine, relative billion user annually. Google ad campaign, the search ad are the present on Google search engine result page SERPs along with organic result influenced which is looking up related search team. These are mainly text ad. Search campaign together use who search from this relative on your business offer. Every site is very important as like first search campaign, second discovery campaign, third shopping campaign, fourth video campaign, fifth app campaign. The Google ads billing or ads offer the same then are the display have a maximum U-turn and ad shaping reverse using the platform built in the Google ad on the front. CPC cost per click, CPM cost per mile, CPA cost per action, CPV cost per views, etc. etc. They are available. Choose the broad campaign type of permanent search make Google ad effective brands and small business. But there only so is make or on platform use the total valuable the search engine. Why are advanced of Google ads? Including branding, targeting customer your appearance, a lot of definition. Google ads first easy and to say rank high. The SERPs search engine result pages. That is not only useful when it comes traffic. There are convert it shows result likely unique business offer the last system user. Everybody the how to make money, how to earn money, how to gain your business, the boost up. The first time you are paid ad campaign, you select the Google platform. Google search engine is the first search engine in the world. The 87 billion user per month per days in Google search. Then any research of nearly 885 billion by in coming 2024, or if you want to have the fight change keeping with the complete and small business, how our expense in our in brands in already. The targeted customer more effective and Google ad strategy point is the right customer and the shows the most relevant Google ads. You can define best keyword targeted leads, brand brands, customers, and opportunity targeted and ads. The specifically keyword is type, age, location, language, time and day, frequency, and drive type. There as targeted customer increase the change that is the ideas is behind the help and maximum convert this make your digital marketing opportunity successful. The customer everybody know the business for platform use any platform uses your brand your business build same things Google ad campaign the must be Google's search engine over 80 millions visitor every second on Google search engine. Then on Google ad campaign or PPC format and lot of format, but very interesting and important format. Search campaign, shopping campaign, discovery campaign, and YouTube campaign, video campaign, etc., etc. But very important, the first time is search campaign using your e-commerce business and search. Friends, the nicely presentation, the short videos, my classes, the type of Google products and advertising platform, and search and Google search campaign presentation, the short videos, my channel. Thank you, best of luck, my friend. Lot of thanks. Please subscribe, valuable comment. Thank you.